Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex. This is AMRC. It's a foggy night again, and I brought out the UMX Turbo Timber with the added lights to have some fun. Also got, again, a new phone, Samsung Galaxy S22. Hoping this will do better with filming. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, take off flaps. If you follow my channel, you'll probably know this is the second flight with this in the fog. Been wanting to do it again ever since that first time, but didn't really have the chance. And just earlier, I finished charging the battery, the fog lifted, but luckily in about half an hour it came back, so here I am. I did want to come out and fly anyway to test the video on this new phone. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet, but trying to fly this now without safe, and still visible, but I do have trouble with the orientation. Luckily I have the red and green lights I added to the wings, and that helps a lot. Unless it's inverted, then I'll try not to flip it over. Unless I'm doing loops or rolls, of course. And I always have safe, just to make sure. I did get some comments after my first video flying in the fog that it's unsafe. And of course I'm not encouraging anyone to do this, especially if you don't know the area you're flying in, and if you can't see your plane. But I'm flying, I think, just below or a bit above tree level, so any aircraft wouldn't fly this well. And even if there were any plane or helicopter or anything else coming by, it's the middle of the night, it's quiet. I can hear them during the day from far away, so pretty sure I would have no problems telling if an aircraft is approaching. Of course, if you do decide to do this, make sure you follow the local laws, regulations. Just be safe, just use your common sense. That's the best advice I can give. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I started construction on this field. Probably gonna build some houses pretty soon. See some starting to pour some concrete pillars and a foundation there. So probably by spring I'll lose this flying spot, but yeah, what can I do? It's really cool because it's just behind my house. Whenever I feel like it at night or during the day, I just come here. Don't have to drive or anything. this plane is so relaxing and so tame compared to the UMX Timber X. It's night and day difference. And I could almost call this a trainer. Battery's getting low. Full flat pass. Okay, timer's up. 5 minutes, but I think I can do a bit more. Really enjoying this. I only have one battery charged. I'll try to push it another minute or two. Oh, and as I found out last time, after I landed, just as a disclaimer or warning, if you do plan to fly in the fog, the plane gets wet, like really wet. There wasn't any moisture inside from what I could see, but yeah, just so I share my experience. Okay, now I'm getting a battery warning. I guess it's time to turn it around and plan for a landing. There's practically no wind right now. Okay, it's full flaps. Let's go around one more time. Yeah, so this is so much easier to fly than the UMX Timber X. Oh, flipped it. No biggie. Okay guys, this was it. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.